Have you ever wondered where all your money went? Do you often think about why there's no money in your bank account at the end of each month? Do you live paycheck to paycheck? If yes, then you have landed at the right place. We can tell you exactly the reasons why you are unable to save up money despite earning a decent income. Welcome to the From Zero to Wealth channel. If you're new here, this channel provides you easy to understand information about wealth creation through personal finance and investing, teaching you what schools should have. And if you are returning, welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about 7 money habits that keep you poor even with a reasonable income. No matter what your income is, good money habits can help you build wealth and set you up for financial success. But bad money habits can do the opposite. So, what are bad money habits? Here are 7 money habits that can be eating away at your hard-earned money and keeping you poor, and how to overcome them. 1. Spending more as your income increases. It can be tempting to boost the budget or even throw it out the window altogether when your pay goes up, especially if it's a substantial increase to your income. Sure, there's no harm in raising your standard life when you can, or treating yourself once in a while. But constantly raising your budget and spending can see you run out of money just as fast, even if your income has risen along with it. It's important to keep expenses and spending at a constant level while looking for ways to increase your income or gain a passive income to help you boost your overall wealth. 2. Not investing or not investing sooner. When you are young, it is easy to get carried away by the various pleasure money can buy. People often think that right now is too early to start investing. Wrong. It's never too early to invest a portion of your income, no matter how long or high your income is. Saving a pot of money is one thing, but if you don't invest it, it will only get you so far. Many millionaires started out poor and did not have large incomes during their lives. So saving was a habit they adopted while they were still poor. They then invested their savings, as well as the investment income generated by their savings. After many years, their savings and investments compounded, eventually turning them into self-made millionaires. It's clear that to grow your money and build real wealth, you need to start investing, as the right investment can increase your income and set you up with financial security. 3. Not putting money into savings. The difference between poor people and self-made millionaires is that the latter make a habit of saving regularly. After all, the more you can save at an early age, the more wealth you'll accumulate. So whether you're saving a rainy day fund, for retirement, or for a big ticket item, it needs to start today. After you've set a budget and begun to track your spending each month, you should start to put money away each month towards an emergency fund. Most financial experts recommend that you save between 3 and 6 months worth of expenses in an emergency fund, so that you have something to fall back on should an unexpected bill pop up. Once you've established a budget and stashed away some money for an emergency fund, your next focus should be saving for retirement. Whether that is salary sacrifice, paying off your mortgage early, or investing in property, the long-term goal should be how you plan to pay for your retirement when the time comes. 4. Ignoring your debt. For a lot of people in today's world, interest eats up a huge portion of their finances. It's a painful fact. Still, they don't know how to get out of this vicious cycle, leaving them with little to no savings. Consider consolidating your debt and paying off an achievable amount regularly. Make paying your debt a top-of-the-list item on your agenda. Work out a plan for this and stick to it, no matter what. You don't want to believe that you're poor, do you? 5. Prioritizing the wrong things. Saving money and building wealth doesn't come without a few sacrifices. It is of the utmost importance that you absolutely care about the must-haves, good-to-haves and not-to-haves. You need to prioritize your financial targets. If getting rich is a top priority for you, then you need to sacrifice some of your present pleasures, whether you like it or not. We've all heard it before, but making a coffee at home every day instead of buying takeout can save you a fortune. It's a small change, but prioritizing what you need to do to get rich over your daily coffee can make that goal come along faster and more easily. Be clear about what your goal is and write them down. Review them at regular intervals to keep yourself on track. 6. Not keeping a record of your money. We all think that we know where our money comes from and where it ends up. Sadly, that's not true for most of us. If you don't know where your money goes and how much your bills are and who they are payable to, how can you possibly keep on top of your finances? The reality is, many are aware of their major expenditures, but the smaller ones slip through the cracks and end up eating away at our finances. By keeping track of your finances and writing down exactly how much you need to pay and to who can help you budget for the rest. Also, by keeping a close eye on your money ensures that if there is a fraudulent activity on your account, it's identified and dealt with straight away. 7. Relying too heavily on credit. Racking up the credit card debt or taking out a payday loan is an easy way to splash out on the flashy items you've always wanted. But the reality is, if you need credit to buy it, you can't afford it. Racking up credit card debt is one of the most expensive bad money habits you can have. Not only can high interest rates make the debt almost impossible to pay off, high balances on your credit card, especially if you're missing a payment, can damage your credit score. So avoid throwing money down the drain and pay off your credit card balance in full every month to avoid the fees. And if you can't do that, perhaps get rid of it altogether. Final note: financial success means different things to different people. It might mean achieving millionaire status, owning your own home, or even living debt-free. The trick to financial success is being able to manage your money, and that's where your good or bad habits can play a vital role. The lesson from all this is to spend less than you earn, save the difference, and start investing. Planning your future, budgeting for the present, and staying on top of your finances will allow anyone with any income to reach the ultimate goal of financial freedom. Not only will you have a nest egg to fall back on if an unexpected expense comes your way, you can also grow your financial freedom and even build a retirement lifestyle of your dreams. We hope this video is helpful to you and maybe start looking at your money habits. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and turn your bell notification on for more videos like this. We'll see you in our next video.